Hi friends, I'm so glad you were joining me today. In today's video, I have a new foundation that I am going to be reviewing and doing a wear test on. I have the new Makeup Forever HD Skin Foundation. They have 40 shades. It is natural finish, it's waterproof, it's long wearing, it's medium coverage, and they say it's best for oily combo normal skin. Right now I have dry skin, so we will see how this wears on my skin. And it's an undetectable liquid foundation that blurs and covers imperfections for 24 hours. I don't ever wear my foundation for 24 hours. If you do, I don't think you should probably do that. Me also, I have a little bit of a cold also. So this foundation also is free of parabens. It says it's non-drying and it is moisturizing at the same time. 88% agreed that coloring did not change after drying. 95% agreed that the complexion looked smoother, and 95 agreed that the foundation did not crack or cling to patches throughout the day. So let's see what this does. So I have the color 2N22. See how I like this. Let's apply it. We're going to do a wear test throughout the day and we'll go from there. Now, I don't know that this will match me right now because I am pretty fair. I don't have any self-tanner on. So you guys, I recently bought this cart for my makeup and I am like loving it. It's not like the best aesthetically pleasing cart, but I can move my makeup everywhere. Sorry, I'm just spraying my beauty blender. On one side of my face, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. buffing brush, and the other side I'm gonna do the Real Techniques. I think this is a Real Techniques. The Real Techniques sponge. So we'll see how it goes. I'm trying to film a reel, so I was like cracking up because like I had like stuff piled up. So for this review, as per usual, very rarely do I use a primer when I do a review. So I'm just gonna shake this up real fast. So it does come with a pump. I'm just gonna pump it on this side of the face, and we're gonna take the sponge that is from, did I say e.l.f. or did I say Real Techniques? I think it's e.l.f. actually. So we're just gonna blend that in. That actually blended in really nicely and really fast. And sorry about the gray hair, you guys. I am coloring my hair the next time I wash it. So this side of my face, it did dry down really fast actually. I feel like this gives medium coverage. You can still see like, I do feel like it's a little dry. I feel it on my skin. It's not heavy, but I can definitely tell it's there. So that's with a sponge. This is one side and this is the other. Okay, so we're gonna go, I'm gonna do 2 pumps on this side also. Oh, I just smeared that all over. We're gonna take the e.l.f. brush. I tend to always like stipple it in first. Okay. So I feel like I get better coverage with the brush. See, this is the sponge side, this is the brush side. So what I tend to do a lot of times is I will take the brush, and then because I think the brush gives a streak what's it called? Strokes. I will go in with it with a sponge also. What do you think? A little drying on my skin, and this side gives better coverage than this side, like I said. I do a wear test on it. Do my pores look blurred? A little bit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take NYX Bear With Me concealer, and I'm just gonna put like one pump here to take my sponge, dab it in. I like this concealer. A little bit goes a long way. I'm like bring it down that low. I don't know what just happened. Like a slight brightening effect, but not really. Looks pretty. Okay, so Rare Beauty. This is the optimized setting powder. I have it in light. I tried this the other day. I love this powder. I'm just gonna take my sponge and I'm just gonna put it and press it into the areas that I need to set. Is like my T-zone area, really. So look at how beautiful that powder makes my skin look. I love it. So glad I took a risk and bought this powder. Did get a couple new things also. I got the Huda Beauty bronzer, and this one's in Tan Light Soft Radiance Bronzing Powder. I don't know how I feel. I'm gonna try this again today and see. The other day when I tried it, I wasn't like, I don't know. I like my bronzer to be a little bit more like golden. I don't know why, but this has like a really red tone to it. Doesn't look as ashy on me today than it did the other day. I got the Huda Beauty Berry Juicy. That's a cute name. It's like this, let me swatch it for you. It's like this very berry color. It's kind of like the Rare Beauty color that I like. See how pretty that is? There's a lot of pigment. So the bronzer, I'm not sure that I like, but this for sure, I'm liking. I'll diffuse it out a little bit. No eye makeup today. Tomorrow I'm getting lash extensions put on, like professionally. So I'm gonna try not to wear a whole lot of eye makeup today. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna curl my lashes and try this NYX on the Rise Volume mascara again and see how I like it. Last time I didn't really like it that much, so we'll try it again and see. Okay, so there's one coat on this eye. This is like super clumpy. Let's try to build this up again and see. Oh, it's not bad this time. This is what this looks like. I'm just gonna run some eyebrow stuff through. This is the e.l.f. Kind of keep them in place and give them a little bit of shape, since this is like a 5-minute, my normal like 5-minute makeup routine. I don't want my eyebrows to be like everywhere. Found this Maybelline, I forgot I totally had. It's Maybelline Truffle Teas. Let me grab some. We're gonna line my lips with this NYX. And this is in the nude color. Put this Truffle Teas on top, like so. Okay, something I noticed right here, where I don't normally have a lot of patchiness normally, there is a lot of patchiness. Now, I don't know if it's from this, or if it's the Makeup Forever, but that is not looking good at all. And I see my pores, which, I mean, that doesn't bother me too much because I can put a primer, but look at this patchiness right here. I'm not liking that. Okay, so I'm gonna wear this foundation like I normally do for a couple hours, and then I will check back in and let you know my final thoughts on if it's worth the $40. So I'll be back in a little bit. So I almost forgot to finish this with my foundation, but look at this chain is making my skin green. Yeah, we're gonna be getting rid of that. I wanna show you this NYX mascara. I forgot, that's why I don't like it. I have raccoon eyes. What we're talking about really is this foundation. I've had this on for more than 12 hours and I am oily. I'm looking in the mirror. With matte foundations, my skin looks oilier. Is that true for you guys? Oh no, but yeah, so no primer. Next time I might use a primer and see if that helps a little bit, but it's okay. My face is a mess. I've worn better foundations, so if you ask my opinion, my e.l.f. CC cream has way better coverage and lasts longer on me than this does. So I don't know. I mean, is it worth the $42? Not in my case. So anyways, I'm gonna close out this video. If you like this type of review, let me know, and I hope you guys have a good night. I'll talk to you guys the next time. Bye.